In this industry, what gets measured and recognized also gets repeated and improved. Hey Titans, today we're going to talk about why you need KPIs. So first, let's ask, what are KPIs? It's key performance indicators. In other words, it's basically a way to measure your performance against a benchmark for the industry or against your goals. So why do we need them? Let's think about this. Let's imagine we're at a ball game, and at this ball game, the players are out on the field and they're giving it all they got. They're going up and down the field, they're battling against each other, but we look up and there's no scoreboard. We don't know who's winning, who's losing, what needs to improve. So what would happen if that's the case? Well, as a fan, I can tell you this, probably after a little while, I would lose interest, right? Because I wouldn't know who was actually doing well and who wasn't. What's the point? As a player, I would also probably get burnt out. Like, why are we giving all this effort if we don't even know if we're doing well or if we're winning? Well, that's exactly what happens in your company if you don't have KPIs that you're using to improve your business. Here's what else we know. KPIs, they can be useless. What do I mean by that? Well, think about this. We can do all the measuring we want, but if we're not using these KPIs to actually improve our business in the areas that we want to improve in, then it's wasted effort. It's useless. So if you're going to measure them, make sure that you're taking massive action on actually improving them as well. Because here's what we know. In this industry, what gets measured and recognized also gets repeated and improved.